So welcome guys back to a brand new video of System 240. Today we will be playing this game. It's called Airplane Story. It's very fun. Why are the three people? What is the story where I'm lagging? I think yeah, that's our airplane that we'll be getting on. And that's the game. We'll see. The game looks very fun, not gonna lie. Many people are glitching out a lot. Help me. How can I help you, dude? How am I supposed to help you? Yeah, help me. Bruh. Bro is so sus. Forget about him. So there's our plane as we speak. We have two restrooms. Let's explore the plane for a second. Two restrooms. We have first class coaches, or business coaches, I think. These are F's. Am I in business coach? Okay, no, I'm not last. I saw F and thought it's business. So nah. I'm below average, bro. Hi everybody. Hi everyone. This is the captain speaking. Welcome aboard to flight 6858. We are currently flying at the altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means that we'll be arriving in our destination in no time. To our destination, yeah. Feel free to explore the airplane. Good. So I think this is the staff area. That's like emergency door. What is this? 25 Robux. Can I get it? I don't have Robux though. Leave it. Okay. We had to explore the plane. This is where the crew member sits, right? Yeah. Did I see something? What is this? 8647. Can I type it? I don't think I can. Yeah, whatever. Now please find your seats as we're about to cross the area of high turbulence. Where's my seat again? Here it is. F11. 11 to F here. Okay, good. We're in our seat. Nothing will go wrong. Dude, what are you doing? These people are crazy. What is wrong with them? Dude, you're supposed to find your seat. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. You're welcome. What is this? Cutie hate brain rot. Okay. What is his name? Get ready as a criminal affairs task for everyone. Alright. Tarshini 94. Great. Did the crew member just spawn out of midair? They just vanished. They just disappeared. Or the opposite. They just spawned out of nowhere. This person just died who I just talked with. Please. No one eat the sandwich. I'm not. Don't eat. Don't eat. You stupid. What is wrong with you? Where? Oh no, she's allergic to mayo. How will we find mayo now? I'll find, I guess. Found her, found her. Is it? Why can't oh I have one? Where's that her? I found it. Oh my god, thank god I found it. I found it. I found hers. Right here. Let me just ask her for a friend request. Who cares though? It's only us both? No one is there. Oh well, that's great. Good afternoon to all passengers. I'll inform you when we reach the stairwell at the same. It will be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Alright, sir. F11. I'm safe. Okay. I've seen no one play was that? It appears that we were lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Alright, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna just guess what will happen. Guys, look. What's on the right wing? What's on the right wing? Did I? Who the creep is that? Who the freaking creep is that? I'm out. Who? You will not. I'm up. This game is giving me creeps. It's giving me goosebumps. What is this game? I'm taking out my headphones. Why is it so you have to increase the volume. Oh my god. There's no gonna rest. I'll go there. Which one is it? That one. Ooh. This one. Get in here, no! You'll die! Where is he? Get in! Ah, good. Okay, I'm really happy what's gone. Bro, this game is so scary. That was scary. That's actually true. We should discuss what the heck happened yesterday. Great. Is any one of us gonna die now? I don't think so. I will not be afraid and I will work as a man on this airplane. Let me just make her my friend. Yeah, she is. Oh, who are you? Are you a boy or a girl? I don't know. F11. My seat number. Let's back. Here we are. Ooh, the power is back up. Why is this game so scary? I don't understand. Seriously, give me goosebumps. And the snakes are gone, thank God. Okay. This is how it goes. The creature on the wing is also gone. Is he actually gone? Okay, if I don't think it's actually gone, then yeah, he's gone. Good agent bastards, I have good news and bad news. What is that, sir? Captain? The good news is that the power is back up. We know that. Yeah, and the bad news. Okay, let me just guess. The oxygen is gone. I knew it. Where's the actual test? Got it. Here. Take it. No. Oh nah. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. I guess we're shooting beef now. Raw beef. Today. I'm literally getting goosebumps everywhere. A bomb? Eh? I mean, what am I gonna do? Okay, everyone, calm down. Okay, find something. I should find something. We'll put her back and check. No. No. This can't be. I didn't check here yet. Scissors. barely survived. Oh no. Look, red, red, red. I just choose. I died. Okay guys, so I died. That's it for today then. I was thinking to not die that quickly. Should have played another round, but it'll take a long time. But this time we need a lot of people this time though. Guys, comment down below. Should I play now? I will be doing a live stream later in this video. Come on, who's going in there? I'm going in. Anyone's coming? No one? Alright, so then, guys, yeah. That's it for today, I guess. I can't believe I just chose the wrong one. Red means death, and I took the death one. Seriously, what kind of a thing is this? Alright guys, so that's it for today. And comment down below on the comment bar if you want me to play another round. Another time I can play if you want me to play. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later.